Hi guys, thanks for joining and coming to my YouTube channel. This is Ben Basra from Remax Metropolis. I'm a realtor here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. If you're looking for a property, you're in search of property. It doesn't matter you are looking for a condo, you're looking for a house, you're looking for a commercial property, you want to buy it or you want to lease or anything. So it's very easy to search. And let's jump into it and I'll show you most easiest way how to find the property in your area, whatever you're looking for. Let's jump into it. Okay, Ben Basra, we have to first of all go to a website, and it's my website, benbasra, benbasra.ca, and this is what it is here, benbasra.ca. Let's see, we go on property search here, and this window will open up, and there's a lot of different options here. You can search by city and price and property type and sale, or you can change this one, like if you're looking for sale or you want to see and look for rent, or you want to see who have somebody have rented in the area, and so this way you will know what properties are sold, what's on sale, what's on rent, what's already rented. So these red dots here, so they tell you what kind of property you're looking at it. So let's see, these ones are for sale. So these properties are on sale, and you say no, this area, you can move this map wherever you are, so they know, so you will know. So I am in here in Vaughan in this area, but let's say I want to select some area where only I want to buy a property. So I can just go here and I can circle the area, and computer will show me only these properties, and it shows here there's one property here, one for $3 million, one is selling for 1.5, 1.6. So these are the prices. So you want to maybe click on, let's say this one is cheaper, what it is, $690,000, and there's look price here. You click on this and you will see the details, and you know what kind of a property is this, why it was only for $699,000. So it's not the house, and all these details. You can see how many bedroom, washroom, all the full detail, whatever the real estate people see. So you see everything right here. So let's say you want to see this another property which is $1.23 million, and it is another $1.3 million. This is detached house, and this is the address, and it's on sale for $1.3 million. How many days it's on the market, how many bedrooms. So see all these details. So after looking at everything, if you have interest, you can definitely give me a call. I can help you if you need to know more about that property. So here, read all these things so you will know what sort of is a semi-detached, and what's how many bedrooms, how many washroom, how many parkings. So you can check basically everything by yourself. And let's say you want to see, you have a small family, you want to see what amenities are there, you want to see if there's any school or hospital, shopping center, banks, and all those things are there. So you just go here, press it there, and see is for schools. You press it here and it will show you how many number of schools are in that area. And you want to see here how many parks are there. Maybe you want to go summertime to park and with your child, so you know what it is. In case any emergency, you want to know the hospital, so you know all these hospitals. And you want to go to the shopping centers, it will give you the shopping centers. So this way you can find out restaurants and grocery stores, and you want to know maybe what's the closest bank in the area. So you just press it there and you will know these banks, and who is this. It's Scotia Bank, this is RBC, this is so you can click on anything, CIBC ATM, so you will know. Okay, you want to know where the gas station is, like which gas station you usually buy the gas from. So you know this is Esso gas station here, and there is another one here. This is Petro Canada. And so this way you know all this attractions, coffee shops, and daycare center, maybe you need to know what's is it the daycare center, and where's the daycare center. Here's one daycare center, there's another one here, there's one over here, and one over here. So then you want to know all this bus stops and stuff, so you want to know where those bus stops are, so you will have this information where these bus stops. Okay, then let's say you want to see this map. It's like a view map. That's fine, you're already there. And if you want to, this does also something. So let's see. Oh, it's going a little nuts. Let's you can check. I think this is showing I'm going to show you the map from by the Google on the sky. Oh, okay, I will allow this, thank you. And then let's move on to another thing. Anyways, so what it is, if you want, these are for sale, these properties, right? Now let's say you want to switch to rent. So you just press it here and let it go this one, and these properties are for rent. So this way there's the one property right here. Let's say this one is a house, $3,300 on rent, and then you can fill up the information and stuff. Then I can get you, or somebody, they can get you more information about it. And if you don't want to search by map, you can just go by the list. So you will go all these properties in the areas by the list. So you will able to see all this thing here. So you need to just play around and with this, and you won't break anything. Just go and check and punch in. You want this city, you want this is the price, this is what property you want for rent, or how many bedrooms, how many square feet, and all the information. You will able to find anything. And in case you want to get in touch with me, maybe here's my information, and there's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and everything is over there, so you can communicate. It's not a problem. I hope this will help you to find your dream home, the property you're looking for. Doesn't matter your rent or whatever you're looking in. Here you can search, like here is instead of residential, you want to look, you want to look for commercial. So this way you can find a commercial property. So maybe sometimes you see, look at this is a Hero Burger. So okay, there's a Hero Burger on sale for what it was showing, what, $49,000. So in case you're looking for a business, so you can find a business. It's not a problem at all. So let's move on. Maybe I guess this is enough for this video. Please check my website, and if you have any question you want to know, and I'm here to help you. Ben Basra from Remax Metropolis. See you.